In this problem, we'll see how to simplify a complex rational expression. Let's look at our helpful hint. You may use either method 1 or method 2. We follow method 1 in the solution to this problem because many students find method 1 easier to use. For this problem, the two fractions in the numerator need to be combined, but the denominator does not involve combining fractions. Here's our complex rational expression that we want to simplify. Method 1 says if there is any adding or subtracting to be done in the numerator or denominator, go ahead and do that first. So I'm going to do the subtraction in the numerator. If we look at the denominators, x and x plus 2, neither of those can be factored, and they don't have any common factors, so the LCD is x times x plus 2. So I'll need to multiply the first fraction by x plus 2 over x plus 2, and I'll need to multiply the second fraction by x over x in order to have the LCD in the denominator. Now I want to write that as one fraction. Our denominator is the LCD. And in the first numerator, 1 times x plus 2 is x plus 2 minus 3 times x. Simplifying the numerator, combining the two x terms, I have negative 2x plus 2. So after subtracting in the numerator, I get this for the simplified numerator. So now I can rewrite the expression as this divided by this bottom fraction. Now that we've rewritten the problem, we can invert our bottom fraction and change it to multiplication. So the top fraction stays the same. We change division to multiplication and invert the bottom fraction. And at this point, let's factor anything that we can. This numerator, we can take out a factor of 2. This denominator is already in factored form. This numerator, we can take out a common factor of x. And now we can divide out any common factors. We've got the x plus 2 and the x, and also this pair of 2's divides out. So we are left with negative x plus 1. So remember with method 1, you first want to add or subtract any rational expressions in the numerator or denominator before inverting that bottom fraction and multiplying.